Hey guys, it's Stormlight Girl. So today I'm going to show you how to do the 5 basic steps of ballet. So I am doing this as part of my side projects. So yeah, but you can all use this as a guide for how to do the first 5 basic steps if you want to learn. If not, then entertainment purposes. Am I right? Now for the first thing, what you need to do is stand in neutral position, also known as parallel. And how you do that is when you have your feet slightly apart and straight ahead. Now I will show you what it's like for the feet position. For the first half, it's just me talking with the arms. Second half, feet position. So we'll do a repeat of what I'm saying. Now, the first thing is first position. And what you do, you put your feet together and then you turn them out, like really close together. Turn them out to your natural hip width. And then from there you know how far you need to turn your feet out. I've actually got quite a wide turnout, natural turnout, so yeah, but different people have different turnouts, so it's just whatever feels more comfortable for you. Now, the second position is called second position. Yeah. And what you do, you stand it out, keep your feet turned out, soften the knees slightly, not much, just gently so that you've got balance. Your arms for first position is like kind of cupcake hands, by the way. So like in pageant, but tucks in. The second position arms is just straight out, not high up, just like so to keep your balance. The next position is the third position. And by that, you have one foot slightly in front. Hold on, like that. It's whatever leg feels the most strongest for yourself. It goes in front. I think it's normally the right that goes in front, but for me, my strongest is my left. I don't know why, it just is. The next position is fourth, and you move your front leg slightly in front so that the heel is actually touching your toes. And the back is still at the angle. Now the last position is fifth. And you bring in so it's a flat line. Just making sure I'm doing it right. Third, your arms are like this. Fourth, this arm goes above. And for fifth position, this arm comes up and joins. So it's like you're going on releve for pirouettes. Now, I will do a repeat of this so that you can all see just the feet position. So, this is parallel, natural stance, feet are straight. This is first position. You can either find out your turnout by putting them together, turning it out at the heels, or just placing them heel to heel. Second position is that wide stance. Third position is slightly in front, but my preference is this way. Fourth position. And lastly, fifth. I hope you all enjoyed that tutorial on how to do the first 5 steps of ballet. Please let me know what you think in the comment section below. If you have any suggestions for videos or for songs, then please feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for your support so far. Give this video a like if you like this video, and see you all in the next one.